Hi guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video, I will tell you that how you can be able to mirror your iPhone onto your laptop. If you do not know what mirror mean is, that how you can be able to see your iPhone screen on your Windows laptop. So to do that, there are very simple steps you got to do. You go on to google.com. As you can see right now, I am on google.com. So here you type lonely screen. As you can see, it's popping up here. So I will click on lonely screen, and there's the first website, www.lonelyscreen.com. You click on that. Okay, and then after that you click on download, and then don't worry about these payment subscription, just click download for Windows, and it's downloading it here. As you can see, you click on open file, and then you click on yes, and then it's downloading onto your laptop. All right, click on install, next. All right, so as you can see guys here, so I already put this name here, which is my name, Sabi. So this dialog box will pop up, warning, you are using a free trial version. Do you want to subscribe now? Don't worry about it, just click on maybe later, and then you can type here anything you like. So I type my name, Sabi. Okay, and then you click on save. So the name is save here, and then after that you can click on this maximize button to make it full screen. And now you got to go onto your cell phone. As you can see, so I'm onto my iPhone. So what do I have to do is, let me just go back. Yep, so I'm onto my iPhone. I just drag here like this, and then as you can see, this thing here, this is the mirror thing. Can you see it? So when I press this thing, it will show Sabi, even though it has a Apple TV icon here, but it will mirror your iPhone onto this. So see the magic. Let me just show you. So I'll click on Sabi. So it detected the laptop. So did you see this guys? Now the phone is mirrored to your laptop, means that you can be able to do whatever you want to do on your iPhone will come up on your laptop screen. So if you want to play games, or you want to go to any website, or anything you want to do, it will come up on your laptop. So these were the very simple steps to mirror your iPhone onto your laptop. I hope you found this video really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.